Hello my lovelies, it's Addie here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to clean your makeup brushes. Well, specifically how I clean my makeup brushes. I'm sure everyone has their own way of cleaning stuff. So if you guys want to learn how to spot clean and deep clean all of your makeup brushes, just keep on watching. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my brushes. There are actually two ways to clean brushes. The first one I do is to do spot cleaning, and the second one is deep cleaning. Spot cleaning is basically the easiest way to clean your brushes. It doesn't completely clean your brushes, but it does make it clean enough for you to use different products. Now, when you deep clean your brushes, that's when you fully clean out every single thing in every inch of your brush. So that's actually my favorite type of cleansing. So I'm going to be showing you guys both types of brush cleaning. Just a quick tip about brush cleaning: I suggest you guys clean your brushes once a week. Especially if you're the type who uses your brushes every single day, I suggest you clean it at least once a week. If you don't clean your brushes regularly, oh my god, why can't I say regularly? If you don't clean your if you don't clean your brushes regularly, or you don't clean it as often as you should, the products are just gonna keep building up and mixing up with each other in your brushes, and bacteria is gonna start to build up, and trust me, you don't want to put all of that all over your face. So I just want to remind all of you to just clean your brushes as often as you can, at least once a week, and you're good. No bad stuff will happen to your face. If you don't regularly clean your brushes, and if you don't clean it properly, you're gonna get, bacteria all over your face. You're gonna get pimples. You're gonna get, it's just gonna mess with your face, and who wants that? Now I'm going to be teaching you guys how to spot clean your brushes. This is actually the fastest and the easiest way to clean your brushes. I have a bunch of dirty brushes right here. I also have my brush cleaner like halfway done. I also have a towel. That's basically all you need. I'm using a white towel today so I can really show you guys all the dirt we are removing from the brushes. You just take your brush cleaning formula. This one I actually bought from, I think it was Swish. It's about 1,000 for this whole thing, but this can last you a really long time, so I just decided to invest in it. What you do is you just do, I like to do one pump or two. No, I'll do two pumps since this one is a big brush. So I have two pumps. You see the green thing here? Then I just take my brush and I just swirl it around, and then the formula just gets the product out of the brush. So this is basically what you do. This is my exercise weekly. So as you can see, the brush is clearing up. This is a great thing to do if you just need to do, quick cleaning. For me, this is the most satisfying because I actually see the dirt come off of it. That's basically it. We are done. This is the brush. It is nice and clean, and this is all of the product that was on the brush. Don't forget, you guys, this is just spot cleaning, so it's just something you can do if you just want a quick fix to cleaning your brushes. It also ends up a bit damp after spot cleaning, so you have to let it dry for a bit. But yeah, basically this is the easiest and fastest way to clean your brushes. Don't forget to wash out this towel. It has so much dirt on it. That's it for spot cleaning. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to deep clean your brush. Now, deep cleaning is very important because it really cleans out every inch of your brushes, and everyone needs that, of course. It's always great to have really clean and hygienic makeup tools, so I highly recommend deep cleaning your brushes regularly. So what do you need to deep clean your brushes? Dirty brushes. So these are my dirty brushes. A bar of soap. I specifically use Dove soap because it's very moisturizing and it's very gentle soap bar. So that's why I picked Dove. You can use any regular soap and then maybe just add olive oil to make it softer. I like using the Dove White Beauty Bar. It also has moisturizing milk. So the reason I go for soap with moisturizer is so that my brushes don't become hard. So I want to retain the softness of all of my brushes, and that's why I use this particular brand. You don't have to use this brand. You can use whatever soap bar you want, but I suggest you look for one with moisturizing things. You will also be needing brush cleaning pads. I have a bunch of different brush cleaning pads here for you guys. These 3 brush cleaning pads, I actually got it from Divisoria. All of them are about 50 pesos each, but since I bought 3, I got it all for 3 for 100, so that's just a great place for you to get them. I'm sure Green Hills has this, Watson's, wherever. I actually see brush cleaning pads everywhere, so I don't think you guys will have a problem finding it. A brush cleaning pad is a rubbery thing, and then there's different design ridges on it. This one also, it's heart-shaped, and you can even put your hand in here while you're cleaning. And then there's just different shapes here, different textures where you can just put your brush on and just swirl it around and really get deep into the brush and just clean it. This one is by far the most popular one I've seen. This is the brush egg, so it just has straight ridges here and then a dotted one. I don't know if there's a difference, but I just swirl it around every inch of this. So these are the brush cleaning pads. There are actually bigger ones, like they look like welcome mats or something, but those exist as well if you want to go for that, but I prefer the smaller ones. There are people who use their hand and just swirl the brush around the hand with soap. I honestly don't recommend that. That will dry out your hand and it's just not something comfortable, you know, so don't do that. I also found this silicone wrap in all homes, so you can go to any home goods store and you can find some sort of silicone thing with different ridges on it. This one was 80 pesos. It's a nice matte looking thing. There are dotted things on it, and you know, you can really clean your brushes on it. That's if you want a mat and you don't want to use this on your hand or anything like that. You can also go for something like this. So it's just 80 pesos. It's not a lot, but of course nothing can beat the 3 for 100 in the Divisoria. So it's really up to you guys. It's your preference, just as long as you have some form of brush cleaning pad and of course the bar of soap and of course your dirty brushes. Now we can start with the deep cleaning process. For today I'm going to be using this pad right here. I don't know, I like this a lot. It even has a hook right here where my hand can go, and it just makes things easier. Like, it can't move or anything, which I like, and my fingers are free, so that's why I prefer this over the others. This brush egg is easier to control than this heart one, but this one for me is too small, but it does the job, but it's just too small for me. So for me, this one is the best one. I actually had to try all of them first before I realized that this is my best friend. Anyway, alright, so how to deep clean. The first thing you have to do is to go to the sink, dampen the soap bar, and then you take your brush and then you just rub it all over that soap bar. Just get as much soap as you can, and then that's when your trusty brush pad comes in. You just swirl it around on there, and then you just let water run through it. You just keep swirling and swirling and running water through it until the water runs clear, and that's how you deep clean your brushes. And then when you're done deep cleaning your brushes, make sure that you don't set it down like this, because the water from the brush is gonna seep down into the glue that's actually holding the bristles to the actual brush handle. So don't do that. Make sure to set it on some surface like this and just let it air dry like that. I think that is the best way. That's actually how I've been doing it, and that is how to spot clean and to deep clean all of your makeup brushes. If you do that regularly, you're gonna have awesome skin, really clean makeup brushes, and no problems at all. Check out all my makeup brushes. They're so clean. Well, they still have to dry and everything, but they are all deep cleaned, and I'm super happy about that, and I'm so excited to use them again and then clean them again and just repeat the cycle all over again. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I also hope that you learned a lot about how to clean your brushes and why you have to clean it and all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys! Mwah.